make any gadget last longer. A practical guide to maximizing the life of your devices. Introduction. In today's tech-driven world, gadgets have become an essential part of our daily lives. From smartphones to laptops and smartwatches, these devices play a crucial role in communication, productivity, and entertainment. However, nothing is more frustrating than seeing your favorite gadget deteriorate long before its time. The good news? With a little care and a few smart strategies, you can extend the life of any gadget significantly. Here are 5 proven ways to make your gadgets last longer while saving money and reducing e-waste. 1. Keep it clean and protected. One of the simplest yet most overlooked ways to extend the life of your gadget is by keeping it clean and well protected. Dust, dirt, and moisture are some of the biggest enemies of electronic devices. How to protect your gadget? Use screen protectors and protective cases for smartphones, tablets, and laptops to prevent physical damage. Regularly clean screens and ports using a microfiber cloth and compressed air to avoid dust buildup. Keep your gadgets away from water and extreme temperatures, which can cause irreversible damage. Pro tip: don't forget to clean the charging ports and headphone jacks. Dust accumulation can prevent proper charging and audio connections. Charge smartly. The battery is the heart of any portable device. If you want your gadgets to last longer, you need to treat the battery with care. Improper charging habits can degrade battery health and shorten its lifespan. Best charging practices: avoid overcharging your device, unplug it once it reaches 100%. Don't let the battery drain completely. Keeping the battery level between 20% and 80% is ideal for long-term health. Use original or certified chargers to prevent power surges and overheating. Pro tip: if you're not planning to use a device for an extended period, store it with a battery level around 50% and in a cool, dry place. 3. Update software regularly. Many users overlook the importance of software updates, but these updates often include crucial bug fixes and security enhancements that keep your device running smoothly. Outdated software can slow down your gadget and leave it vulnerable to malware attacks. Why updates matter: improve performance and stability, enhance security and protect against cyber threats, increase compatibility with newer apps and features. Pro tip: enable automatic updates for your devices to ensure you never miss an important update. 4. Avoid overloading your device. Another common reason gadgets fail prematurely is because of constant overload. Running too many apps or storing excessive data can slow down performance and strain internal components. How to avoid overloading? Regularly delete unnecessary files, photos, and apps. Use cloud storage services to free up space on your device. Monitor your device's performance and address issues like overheating and lagging promptly. Pro tip: perform a factory reset once a year after backing up data to give your device a fresh start and eliminate hidden issues. 5. Handle with care. Finally, physical damage is one of the most common causes of gadget failure. A single drop can crack a screen or damage internal components, making the device unusable. Simple handling tips: avoid placing your device near edges or high-risk areas. Invest in a quality carrying case if you travel frequently with your gadgets. Never use your device while it's charging on a bed or couch. This can cause overheating. Pro tip: if your device does suffer minor damage, address it immediately. Ignoring small issues like a cracked screen can lead to bigger problems down the line. At conclusion, small steps, big impact. By following these 5 simple steps: keeping your device clean, charging smartly, updating regularly, avoiding overload, and handling it with care, you can make any gadget last longer. Not only will this save you money, but it's also a more sustainable approach that reduces electronic waste. Your gadgets work hard for you, so it's time to return the favor. Start implementing these tips today and enjoy your devices for years to come.